How to add and arrange audio tracks in Soundation. First of all, open Soundation in your browser and either create a new project or open an existing one. Once you are in the studio interface, look to the left side of the screen where you'll find the channel rack. This is where all your audio tracks are listed. To add a new track, click on Import Sound and add the music from your file explorer. You can also add audio channel and just drag and drop your file from your computer directly into the timeline. You can repeat this process to add as many audio tracks as you need. Soundation also has a sound library on the right side of the screen. You can drag samples from there as well. Once the audio is in place, you can click and drag it to move it along the timeline or trim the edges to adjust its length. After you have placed your audio clips, it's time to arrange them. Click and drag the clips to different positions to control when each sound plays. If you want to duplicate a clip, hold the Alt key, then drag the clip to create a copy. You can also rename each track for better organization by double-clicking the track name. Finally, to enhance your audio, click the Effects button and choose from effects like Reverb, Delay, Equalizer or other options. These effects help shape the sound, add depth and make your mix more professional. And that's it. Now you know how to add and arrange audio tracks in Soundation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.